Welcome to Spiriversity. Today, we're diving into the world of mindfulness meditation. If you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Mindfulness meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that helps you stay present and fully engaged in the moment. Here's how you can start your mindfulness meditation practice. Step number 1, find a quiet space. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a cozy spot in your garden, or anywhere you feel at ease. Make sure it's a place where you can relax and focus without interruptions. Step number 2, get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or cross-legged on a cushion. Keep your back straight but relaxed, and rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. The key is to find a posture that you can maintain comfortably for the duration of your meditation. Step number 3, set your intention. Set your intention for the meditation. This could be something simple like, I want to feel more relaxed, or I want to be more present. Setting an intention helps to focus your mind and gives your practice a sense of purpose. Step number 4, focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. Step number 5, observe your thoughts. As you focus on your breath, you'll notice thoughts, feelings, and sensations arising. This is completely normal. Instead of trying to push them away, simply observe them without judgment. Acknowledge their presence and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, the goal is not to stop thinking but to become aware of your thoughts and let them pass without getting caught up in them. Step number 6, practice regularly. Practice regularly. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of mindfulness meditation. Try to meditate at the same time each day to build a habit. Step number 7, end your meditation gently. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You might feel more relaxed, centered, or aware. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day. That's it. You've just learned the basics of mindfulness meditation. Remember, the goal is not to achieve a completely empty mind, but to cultivate a sense of awareness and presence. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Spiriversity, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more mindfulness and meditation tips. Happy meditating!